So this is the coconut milk, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the pumpkin after I finish seasoning the meat. So this is the meat that I'm seasoning the chicken neck. So I'm gonna cook chicken neck with pumpkin rice. So I'm just put the browning on it, and the scallion, the thyme, garlic, and all of that. So I'm gonna get the pot hot and then I put it on. So this is the all-purpose season that I use, and this is the Eve browning I use. My garlic, and I have another powder seasoning. I don't remember the name of this one. And this is the all-purpose Maggi all-purpose as well. So you take a little cooking oil on it for it to take the seasoning properly. Don't want everything to season to the bone. So the oil getting warm to put the meat in. Alright, the chicken neck inside the pot, so I'm gonna cover it and allow it to go ahead and cook. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the pumpkin. Going to cut the pumpkin to put inside the coconut juice. Alright guys, so this is the pumpkin. Just cut it up. Look at this, guys. Curry pumpkin. So I'm gonna wash it and put it inside the coconut juice on the fire. So the pumpkin inside. So I'm allowing the meat to brown properly before I put it in the seasoning. Alright guys, so I just put in the scallion, the thyme, the garlic, and a little all-purpose seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rice and place the rice inside the coconut juice with the pumpkin. So we are preparing seasoned rice with brown stew chicken neck. So this is the rice, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. 2.5 cup of rice, which is equal to 2.5 pounds. So guys, I just put in the rice inside the pot and allowing it to steam out. Alright, so I just put in the water. I'm gonna cover it and I'll let it cook. Look at my pumpkin rice, guys. Looking good and yummy. Pumpkin rice looking really good. See, have the color of the curry pumpkin. Look at that, guys. My brown stew chicken neck coming on real good, guys. So pumpkin rice with brown stew chicken neck. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, my pumpkin rice looking really good. Look at that. Look at the color, rich and nice. And then my brown stew chicken neck. I'm just gonna allow it to make gravy, and then I'll put in the season to cook it down. As soon as the water dry down a little bit more, put in the seasoning. Alright guys, that this finished steaming out now, so I'm gonna switch the fire off.
Boom, I your boy Asian boy. I'm there I watch Julian Sewell vlog. I say if you not watch it, you need to go watch it right now. You need to go check out that girl. You need to do it right now. Right now I hit me and watch and I buy this thing. You hear that? Right now.